Do you know which state tweets most about COVID-19? Do you think a tweet can tell something about how you're feeling? Welcome to COVID-19 in Mexico. I'm your host, Vianney, and I'm bringing you the top research from this week.
First of all, we have a new way of looking at data. Here we have a map where you can look at different topics related to the confirmed COVID-19 cases, such as how many had diabetes and other pre-existing conditions. Isn't it cool? In another study, we can see where in Mexico people are tweeting more about COVID-19. Who would have guessed that Chihuahua is the biggest tweeting state in Mexico? That's all for my part. Back to you, Vianney.
Now, let's start with Alejandro and see what he has for us this week.
Hi, have any of you wondered if the population has been sad due to the pandemic? Well, there's now a study that tells you just that. Here you can see that by using Twitter geographical data, you can determine how people are feeling in relation to what they say in their tweets. We analyzed a whopping 1 million tweets. Can you believe that? In another study, we can see that the differences between cases by week in the population and cases by week. Here you can see a clear difference, showing different states being affected in a week during the pandemic. What do you think, Vianney?
I found it quite interesting to see that different states were affected in different percentage. Maybe we'll find out why on the next chapter.